by more people than any other network. ABC.
It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done. TGIF.
Take that! And that!
No more stalling. It's Biddy by Boo for you.
Okay. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams, baby. Going Places is next. A beautiful woman makes Charlie an offer he can't refuse. And he almost ends up in cement shoes. Ooh, Going Places.
See, I want a waterfall. I want a waterfall in our house or outside. Don't you?
Yeah. Alright, let's go, baby. Let's go get your car.
Everyone takes this little fountain for
Look at that. That's deep. That's deep.
Friends don't let friends miss a moment of TGIF. Stay here. We'll be right back.
On June 11th, a Steven Spielberg film. An adventure 65 million years in the making. Jurassic Park, rated PG-13, starts Friday, June 11th.
Hey, you.
Huh?
Suit up, strap in, and ask yourself, do you have it?
Have what?
Nickelodeon Guts, now for your Super Nintendo Entertainment System. This is serious, realistic sports action just like the show, only now you're in total control. Compete against the clock or challenge a friend as you take on 7 of Guts' toughest events, including the awesome Aggro Crag. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Best out of 3? Nickelodeon Guts, only on the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Also from Nickelodeon, Rocko's Modern Life, the game.
What's more amazing than the places you can go on the internet? The fact that you don't need a computer to get there. Web TV from Philips Magnavox. The internet now on your television at an affordable price.
Sunday, in a stunning move, America gets $200,000 episodes in a row. It's a grand prize flashback on America's funniest home videos. Then honk if you love America's funniest people. Sunday.
Can you dig it?
ABC Thursday.
I want my war!
One of the most magical adventures
Hulk versus Pan.
ever to come to television. Join Robin Williams, Julia Roberts, and Dustin Hoffman in Neverland.
Pan the Avenger is back. Hook is waiting.
ABC Thursday, Steven Spielberg's Hook at 8/7 Central.
You'll see me, sing it loud.
WJET TV 24 Erie.
See, normally the water would be over. Well, no, it wouldn't. Yeah, this is the kind of. Look, we were up there. We were up there, Emmy Arc.
I looked over the edge, so it was cool.
I wanted to jump down right there. I thought we'd be able to, but it would have been kind of high. This way, sweetie. See right there? Is that what you want to do, or you want to go through the park? This is easier. Yeah. Whoa, do you see that? Yeah, we gotta check that out. Wow, look at this. We should build a dam right here. We should build a rock dam. Ooh, this water's so much warmer. This water's 20 degrees warmer. Can you feel it? Adventures in Erie County. What were you thinking about? Adventures? Look at that. What's that thing? Is that like a big rock? What is that thing? What is that? That's just a big giant. Woo! It's a big giant flat rock. Look at that. I mean, look at that creek. Let's go check that out. This is really deep though. That's deep. That's deep. That's deep. Don't go in there. Don't go right there. That's like 3 feet deep. Come on. Where? Come on, we can go this way. It's not deep right here. It's not deep, baby. Where do you see fish? I don't know how deep it is right here though, because I can't really see the bottom. Yeah, we're gonna be hitting you.
I know. Current's really strong.
Shallower right here. Dude.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I can't even. I can't wait to see that video where we drop.
Oh, he's watching right now.
Oh yeah. Let's see how. Let's feel this water. Let's feel it.
Babe, you can feel it from here.
Oh, that's freezing. That's awesome.
Where's it coming from?
I don't know. A little creek up there. That's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, those trees are awesome.
Current. White water. I'm going on the flat rock. Ouch. I'm getting pelted. Woo! I'm gonna slip. Look, now we're alright, we're out of the rapids. So that's the rapids right there. We made it out. Oh no. Blair Witch Project.
We conquered it.
This is where we should have it. Think about it, there's a playground there.
Oh, look at Mike. Poor Mike. This is cool. Look at how it closes.
Mm-hmm. Hey, stop it.
It's bad. I just go buy a new phone.
It's working right now.
What are those big lumps?